Hey, Nick with Zona Camp and Hike. I'm an Arizona Trail section hiker. Most of my hikes are 2 to 3 days in the weekend. Pretty much a weekend warrior, as I'm a dad, husband, and I still spend time with my family. Generally, I pick out foods to eat upcoming to that weekend for the trail, specifically designed for the portion of the trail that I'll be hiking. So before I dive into my food and cooking system, I'd like to remind you to like and subscribe. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below what you take on your hikes. First, I'd like to dive into my cooking system. I take the Pocket Rocket 2 without a case. I take the Aussie titanium cup and pot and a Vulcan titanium spork along with a Zippo. Generally what I like to do is kind of keep it nice and compact. I will take the Pocket Rocket, the Zippo, and put it all together. Keep it nice and tight, and then throw it into the other bag and container. And keep that nice and tight. I like to bring both the pot and the cup. I'll boil my water into the big pot, and then I'll move it into my small cup for my coffee in the morning. And then I can keep boiling more water for my breakfast, depending if I see fit. And of course, I take a small fuel canister. Backpacking food. I like to pick out snacks. They usually fill in as my lunch as well, and I'll do a dinner and a breakfast. Let's start with breakfast. Breakfast, I'll usually pick out a freeze-dried meal, something like spicy skillets or maybe some granola, and I'll put that in my pack. That's usually my breakfast, along with some coffee, instant coffee. I like to have my coffee in the morning. Nothing like waking up and enjoying the beautiful trail that you're about to hike on and sitting back and getting your day started with a cup of coffee. For dinner, I'll grab like lasagna or cheese and mac, something freeze-dried. Again, I try and keep it light for the trail. I'll do something like this, like another adventure meal, something of that nature to keep it going. I like a good dinner when I get to the end of the trail. Kind of a food nut, if you kind of guessed it already. I like good meals at the end. However, on my next hikes, I might try what Brian's been doing lately, and that's bringing something canned, like raviolis or SpaghettiOs. It's heavy to begin with, but doesn't require any water. The good thing about that is you're not wasting any of the water that you're bringing, because water can be scarce on the Arizona Trail, at least the first few sections that I usually hike. I'll bring this. Maybe I'll try some good old Spam with me, cook it up, and we'll go from there. My snacks, I like to bring a lot of protein bars, dehydrated fruits, beef jerky, granola, and I generally like to put those in my side pockets or on the top of my pack so that they're easy to get to when we hit a break, or the side pockets so we can just keep on going on the trail. I keep my food in a Wise Owl compression sack. This works great for me, keeps everything nice and light and tidy, and I'll just throw it in as such. And that's it. That's how I'll compress most of my food in my pack, keep it nice and neat. I will keep a bright colored rope with a clip, little carabiner, to hang my food far from my campsite. I don't want any critters to get into it, kind of make it nice and easy and convenient. That's it. That's usually what I take on my trail hikes, my section hikes. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.